point it this way. Perfect. Hello, everybody. It's your girl, Blue Bolden, National Sales Director here at Superior Products. And today we're going to demo my car right behind me. So we're going to use Pink Perfection today on my soft top. I got a convertible behind me. So we're going to use that Pink Perfection on there, diluted 10-to-1. We're also going to use Pink Perfection for the bugs and for the wheels today. Afterwards, we're going to wash my car with vehicle soap with wax. So let's get this party started. Ah!
Look at my glass, man. Yeah. Pour out. Yeah. Pour out. Yeah. I do. Pour out. Yeah. Pour out.
Pink Perfection for the tires today. That's what I'm going to use on my rims. It's diluted 4-to-1. And I have a few little tools here. It might be extra, but tell me, what do you dilute yours to and what tools do you use on your tires? Help me here. Like, I'm kind of new at this. I normally pay to get my car washed, but here we go.
Listen. Pour out. Yeah. Pour out. Hey. Hey. Let's get it.
Oh my God, the red light is so on. You can... Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am just about done with my car. We did the soft top with Pink Perfection. I cleaned the car with the vehicle soap with wax. Look how it beads up. Isn't that awesome? So all my detailers out there who've been doing this for 5, 10, 20, 30 years, please don't laugh at me, okay? All right, I'm new to this. All right, so I really appreciate you all tuning in. Leave some comments, hit the like button, subscribe to our page, and let us know what you think. Give us some tips on what it is that you do and how you use our products and what tools you use. Superior Products, baby, we are out.